Welcome to Lesson 12, Ethical Guidelines for SMB Teams. We've talked about accountability, we've talked about oversight, but here's the challenge. It's not enough for the CEO or managers to understand these concepts. Every employee who interacts with AI must know what to do in real situations, and that's where ethical guidelines come in. Think of them as the operating manual for responsible AI. They don't just talk about values, they spell out what actions to take step by step when an AI system misbehaves or when something feels off. Why do we need guidelines? Let me give you a scenario. Imagine you're running an e-commerce store and your AI chatbot suddenly starts giving confusing or even wrong answers to customers. Now, one of your employees notices this. Without guidelines, what happens? They may ignore it, they may try to fix it themselves, or they may assume someone else will deal with it. That hesitation is dangerous. With guidelines, however, the path is clear. Log the error, escalate it to management, and if needed, shut down the bot until it's corrected. Guidelines take uncertainty out of the equation. They give your employees confidence to act quickly and ethically. So, what should guidelines look like in practice? There are four essentials. Regular review of AI outputs. Don't just assume the system is fine. Schedule check-ins. Immediate reporting of anomalies. The moment something looks strange, employees must know to raise the flag. Clear escalation pathways. Not every issue is equal. Some can be handled at the team level, others must go straight to leadership. Record keeping. Every AI-related decision, error, and correction should be documented. These four pillars turn principles into daily practice. And remember, guidelines aren't about micromanaging employees, they're about empowering them to act with clarity. Here's a positive example. A small retail company rolled out an AI chatbot to handle common customer queries. Within weeks, employees noticed that the chatbot was providing inconsistent answers. Because they had clear ethical guidelines, staff immediately reported the issue, escalated it to management, and management paused the bot until it was fixed. Customers never even noticed a problem. Now imagine the opposite scenario. No guidelines, no escalation path. The bot keeps giving wrong answers for weeks. Customers lose trust. Reputation takes a hit. The lesson here, guidelines allow small issues to be caught early, before they snowball into crises. Let's take another example from the fintech space. An SMB used AI for credit scoring. Now we know these systems can sometimes be biased, rejecting applications unfairly, but this company had a simple but powerful guideline. No loan rejection is final until a manager reviews it. That single policy protected the company from bias lawsuits, preserved fairness, and reassured customers that a human was still in the loop. Guidelines don't have to be complicated. Sometimes a single sentence can prevent major harm. Let me turn this over to you. Ask yourself, do your employees know when to override an AI system? Do they know exactly how to report a problem and to whom? Do they feel empowered to challenge an AI recommendation if it doesn't feel right? If the answer to any of these is no, then your business has a gap, and guidelines are the bridge. Let's recap with a couple of questions. Why do employees need ethical guidelines? Because without them, hesitation and confusion take over, and in AI, hesitation can cost you customers. What's a critical element of any oversight policy? A clear reporting and escalation process, so problems move up the chain before they cause damage. With these elements in place, your team can act confidently and ethically. To close this lesson, let's step back and bring the entire section together. In Lesson 10, we established that AI itself is never accountable, only people are. In Lesson 11, we saw how human oversight is the safeguard that prevents AI from drifting into harmful or biased territory. And today, in Lesson 12, we turned those principles into practice by defining clear ethical guidelines that every employee can follow. Now it's your turn to apply these ideas in a concrete way. Your assignment for this section is to draft a responsible AI oversight statement for your business. This is not just a piece of homework, it's a practical document you can bring into your company. Here's what it should include. Who in your business is accountable for AI outcomes? This could be a manager, an ethics lead, or even yourself if you're the owner. How oversight will work. Will you review outputs weekly? Have escalation pathways? Panel reviews for sensitive decisions? One example of a decision that must always involve a human. This could be hiring, customer escalations, or financial approvals. Keep it short, 150 to 250 words, but make it specific enough that you or your team could use it tomorrow. Once you've done this, you'll have created the backbone of an ethical AI policy, something many large organizations still struggle with. And in the next section, Section 5, we'll widen our focus. We'll move beyond your business to examine the societal impacts and misuse of AI, from misinformation to job displacement, and explore how small businesses like yours can stay ethical while navigating these larger challenges.